Hi guys, rachybop here, and today I'm reviewing this wireless gaming headset. This is made by EKSA, and thank you so much to EKSA for sponsoring this video. It is the E910 model, and it's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, PC, Xbox One, PS4, PS5, Nintendo Switch, laptops, Mac, macOS, and TV. Basically anything you can put this little USB dongle in, because this is how it works. It's super easy plug and play, and in terms of how they look and perform and feel, I am genuinely impressed. So in order to use them, it's pretty simple. Straight out the box, you just pop this into your device. In my case, it was into my laptop. You can make sure in your settings that you've set it to the EKSA headset. Mine automatically did that, so you probably won't have to. And then you just press the on button on the headphones, hold it down for 2 to 3 seconds. You'll hear it say powering on, and also the middle triangle on the earpiece will light up red, and that's how you know it's on. You can adjust the volume there, and they have a little pull-out microphone as well. The whole thing is really soft leather and PU leather, so it's not real leather, which I was happy about. Really comfortable, really spongy, and they do also have replacement parts of these on their website as well, so they are replaceable, which is good to know, without having to buy the whole headset again. You can also buy this little stand, which is super handy and super cute if you want something to put them on. It's only a little bit extra on their website, which I thought was a nice touch. You can extend the headphones just by pulling up like that. That's as far as they go, and they're really adjustable. I just find them really compact and nice looking, but also at the same time very sturdy and good quality headset. In terms of the audio, perfect, brilliant, love it, no problems with them whatsoever, no problems with connection. I think they're really great. The microphone isn't the best. This is the sound sample from the microphone.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
And that's pretty normal for a gaming headset. I never use the microphone on my gaming headset. Obviously, if you're going to be chatting to your friends and things, that is important, and I wouldn't say it's too bad for that, but in terms of recording videos, which is what I use microphone for, it's not something I would rely on, but the headphone aspect of it is spot on, and I will be using these in my day-to-day. These will last for about 10 hours at 70% volume. So again, that's personal preference of whether that's going to work for you. Light use, it's going to be great. I don't always work my headphones on, so it's great for me. If you're using them for intense gaming sessions, streaming, that kind of thing, you're going to need to think about whether you need to charge them before, for sure, but that's just a thing with wireless headsets. But 10 hours at 70% volume, that's what you're going to get. Pretty good. And they are wireless up to 15 meters, which is pretty good. Pop some music on, walk around your house, be in your own little bubble. There is a little app that you can get as well, where you can just adjust the settings to be specifically how you want it from the EKSA website.
This headset is a 5.8 GHz wireless gaming headset that has ultra low latency, which is greater than or equal to 20 milliseconds. The headset also supports virtual 7.1 surround sound and has ENC noise cancellation. So make sure you download that sound driver, install it from their website, there's a link in the description, and install it on your PC, and then you can use that to customize the sound profile based on your preferences. It also has a 1-key switch for enabling surround mode and a retractable unidirectional mic, which will prevent it picking up background noises.
I will put a link in the description so you can check out the full specs of these headphones, and also check out that app if you do happen to purchase them. But please do let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I'll try my best to answer those for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you again to EKSA for sponsoring it. Bye!